Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll make a map that contains every single cases of every district of Nepal. So we have this data on the basis of the number of cases which we have divided into some intervals, that is 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20, to 2,000, 2,000 to 0 to 1,000 to 2,000, 2,000 to, and this is why this is how we have divided our interval. So let's start making a new map. So I have a save file of every district of Nepal, so I'll import that save file through drag and drop inside the layer. So what we'll do is either tabs we'll go to the website named covid19.mohp.gov.np. so in this website we have every single cases of every district of Nepal. So I couldn't find any relevant website that contains all the districts wise COVID-19 cases of Nepal in a single CSV format. So what we'll do is we'll add this data manually to our website, like the Khotang 310, Dhankuta 428, and similarly we'll add this all the data to our attribute table. So we have this data from 2020, January 23rd to 2020 May 14. Let's go to our attribute table, and then what we'll do is we have to add a COVID-19 new field. So I have already added. So if you don't know how to add this field, so then we have the option called toggle edit in the left of corner. So toggle editing mode, we have to click and make this mode on, and then we have add field. Okay, new field option in the top. So what we will give a COVID-19 data, and then we'll give this data as whole number. So and then length is 10. Okay, it is okay with 10, so we'll give okay. And then what we have to do is we have to add individual data of every district in this COVID-19 data field. So we have null in here, so what we'll do is we'll add the data in this null. So what we'll go is we'll add this Khotang from Khotang total data and go to our attribute table and search for Khotang, and then we'll add that data in that Khotang field. So we have added, and then enter. We'll make this Khotang data field with COVID-19 number from that website. So again for other we have to go again to the same website, and then we'll add that data again, copying this number of data from this website and into the attribute table. Okay, similarly we'll do this for all the districts of Nepal. We'll add this data manually from website, copying from website and pasting in this attribute table. So this is how we'll do. Let's get started. Okay, now I have completed copying all the data from website to the attribute table. Okay, now what we will do is we'll save the edit that we have made in this attribute table. You can see the edit option, save edit option side of toggle edit, and after that we'll click on toggle edit and in the editing process. Now we'll see the attribute table, and we have all the COVID-19 cases of Nepal district wise. So what we'll do is we'll go to label the, okay, we'll symbolize the district according to the number of COVID-19 cases. So that is we'll make a choropleth map. A choropleth map usually visualizes the map on the basis of the quantity, and on the basis of quantity. So we have the quantity, means here we have the number of COVID-19 cases, and the number of COVID-19 cases. We will visualize that COVID-19 cases in our map. So under the label we'll go to graduated. Inside symbology we'll go to graduated, and then color ramp will add the color, and we'll give classes of about 6. So we'll here give equal, and okay, so we have to give a value will be COVID-19 data, and then we'll give more to equal interval and apply. So you can see a map is changed in backside. So what we'll do is we'll give our interval on the accordingly. So inside upper we'll give from 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 5000, and 5000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 25,000, and 25,000 to 2 lakh in this case. So we don't have more than 2 lakh cases in each district, so we'll give to its upper value to 2 lakh, and we can see in the backside, so it is shown. Now what we'll do is we'll modify the color so that it looks a bit nice in the map. So color one will select from the gradient. We will delete the color between this. So we'll also give the color last color also. Color 2 is last color, so maybe a bit of blue color, and then we'll delete the remaining backside color. Okay, so what we'll do is we have modified the color, and then we'll see the result. Okay, we'll do okay, and then apply, and okay, see, this is the final result that we have seen. It has it is so if you want to show the number of COVID-19 cases inside the map, so you can go to label, and inside label you can give single label, and inside the value you can give COVID-19 data, and then we can so like this. If you want to print this layout, okay, so we can go to new layout, new print layout, and then I'll write the name. So I'll add the map from here, add map. Then if you want to add a legend, you can add a legend from there and give the title to the legend from this. Here you can see the title. I can give title cases of Nepal. So this is how we can make a COVID-19 map in QGIS. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside the home.